Hola amigos! Hello friends! Let's discover the names of yummy fruits in Spanish and English. Let's go! It's a strawberry!
Yay!
In Spanish it is called fresa. Fresa. It's a peach.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called melocotón. Melocotón. It's a pomegranate.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called granada. Granada. It's a kiwi.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called kiwi. Kiwi. It's a cherry.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called cereza. Cereza. It's an apple.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called manzana. Manzana. It's a watermelon.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called sandia. Sandia. These are grapes.
Yay!
In Spanish they are called uvas. Uvas. It's a mango.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called mango. Mango. It's a banana.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called banana. Banana. It's an orange.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called naranja. Naranja. It's a pineapple.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called piña. Piña. It's a pear.
Yay!
In Spanish it is called pera. Pera.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell icon to stay with us for more fun and learning adventures.